You got all these gurus on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
The stock market is overheated.
Talking about the economic crash of 2023. Nobody's got a globe. Nobody knows what's going to happen. I don't know if it's going to crash, even out, or anything like that. But what are the facts as of right now? You got rising interest rates.
Interest rates have been soaring.
Higher days on market, price reductions. So here's what you need to do. You need to just start running your numbers more conservative. If you're going to do a flip, make sure you've got more time in there for longer sell time.
But it ain't just that. You also have to factor in whenever you're getting ready to purchase a flip. Okay, is this flip going to take me 3 months? Is it going to take me 6 months? And what's the market going to look like in 3 to 6 months from now? And that's where you want to be buying that flip at, not in today's market, because the problem is the market's possibly going to continue to go down. So it's not like 6 months ago to a year ago when you could buy it and bank on appreciation in 3 to 6 months. Now you got to bank on depreciation in 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, and when you're looking at buying a rental property, you need to be thinking, well, if I'm getting a mortgage on these properties, then my interest rate could continue to go up as of right now. So you need to be running it at more of a conservative cash flow as well.
The point is you need to buy right. You need to be able to adjust for the interest rates and all that when it comes to a rental property.
If you're burring a rental property, then you need to make sure that you're looking at appraised value. You got to be more conservative on the ARV. Appraisers are all over the place right now with price reductions going on and all this inventory sitting on the market. One thing's for sure though, you can continue to do deals
In any market.
any market at any time of the year. A lot of people say that November, December, January slows down.
The main thing is just making sure that you're not over leveraged.
What you got, Brad?
I ain't got none,
He's back here in food coma too.
Yeah, so we're going to be having a workshop, a virtual workshop on how to build a rental portfolio in January. So we're going to be covering all the things from how to purchase a property, leveraging other people's money, the marketing, the free versus the paid marketing, talking about running numbers, making offers, negotiating, getting them under contract, everything like that. Everything in between from the A to Z on how to purchase that rental property, but not only purchase that rental property, scale it to where you can build your portfolio.